Hello friends. Welcome back. Hope so you are good by the grace of God. As you know, I am making videos for you on computer solutions and how to work on computer, and teaching you how to make your computer so smart. Today, I want to show you how to convert image file to text document. So many times you need to edit pictures text, but you cannot edit. Today in this video, you can learn this trick easily. Let's start. First of all, open Microsoft Word. Click on Insert, and click on Picture. Click on this device. Choose your picture. Picture is inserted, but we cannot edit it. Now click on File, and click on Save As. Choose directory where you want to save it. I am saving it on desktop. Write name of file here. And from file type, select PDF, and click on Save. Now my image is converted into PDF. Again go to Word, and click on File. Click on Open. And now open that PDF file. Now click on OK. And you can see, our image is completely converted into text document. Now we can edit its text. Hope so. This video is also very useful for you. If you have any question, write in comment box. I will respond you as soon as possible. Consider subscribing to watch more videos like this. Thank you.